Hi, Gareth here from Fort Monkeys, and we're on the brand new Discovery Princess. We're on the maiden voyage, and we're gonna take a look at our cabin. We're on Riviera deck, which is 14. Right here, R726. Port Monkeys are on board, that's right. So my medallion lets me into the door. And here it is. So light switches, they still have these card slots, but you don't need to put a card in there. So emergency actions. Mirror. They have mirrors. So typical princess layout for a balcony cabin. Got closet, the shelf. Got a cabinet with shelves and a safe. We didn't fill them all up even. You have a bathroom. It's pretty small. Got some lights and a mirror though. 3 shelves. They come with lotion and hand soap like that. At least our cabin does. Little toilet. Shower. Got a removable handle. I love those. It's got the 2 knobs. One is temperature, one is water pressure. It's got shampoo and conditioner and shower gel. So it also has one of these. Water just dripped on my back. Which is a clothesline, right? Clothesline. Now, got some hooks. Now I'm going to sit here on the toilet. And I'm done. And now, where's the toilet paper? Well, it's right there. Now you're going to have to bend over to see that. Well, I am anyway, because I can't see it from here. So, not sure why it's there. No other place. Trash can, extra toilet paper, some other stuff. So that's the bathroom. It's got a nice TV. 32-inch or something. Nice bed. Artwork. It's not very big, no couch. Just a chair. I thought they were supposed to have another chair. Anyway, does have a USB port and a little light switch and switches. 2 drawers. Let's go over here. A lot of shelves. Make sure you get a bottle of hand sanitizer from us. Refrigerator. And it seems fairly cold in there. Two drawers on this side. Another USB port. Remote. Light switch. Trash can. More drawers. That was where the hair dryer is. And some of Janet's stuff. Empty drawers, because we don't have that much stuff. Got a message. That was me calling here because I was locked out and she wasn't answering the door. I don't know if it was on purpose or not. Seems to have a light switch here. Oh, I guess that was already on. So you have it there. You have this kind of door. This locks it. This unlocks it. If they're closed and locked, and you open them, they are kind of hard to open. You know what I mean? Kind of hard to open. The balcony is wide. The Janet is beautiful.
Hi.
But it's narrow. I mean, maybe it's the standard. These are reclining chairs, but if I want to recline that, you know, I'm going to have to lay sideways, right? Anyway, got our drinks. We're getting ready to disembark, or we'll leave port. Of course, we're way out in the port of San Pedro. That's where you normally dock. That's the Norwegian Bliss down there. We're right at the breakwater already, almost. This is berth 50, if you're interested. I see some cruise ships off the port of Long Beach over there. A Princess ship and a Holland America ship. You probably can't see them in this picture, but I can see them. Of course, this is the port of San Pedro, the port for Los Angeles, and the port of Long Beach is just right there. They're next door to each other. And that's about it. Look how nice and new though it is. I mean, how long will that last? Look at that white glossy paint. I mean, there's not a touch of rust anywhere. See that? It's so pretty. Get on it while it's pretty. Not that it won't be pretty in 10 years. So, from the Majestic Princess, this is Gareth saying, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye.